You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Monday. What's cracking? Markets are open. They are opening right where they closed, too. How about that? I believe we do have Trump talking right now as well. If you're here, drop a WL or mid. I want to see where you guys are at. How was your day today? How do you enjoy the 389 points there at the end of the day? Was that a WL or mid? WL or mid? WL or mid? WL or mid? Market is kind of... Oh, nice. We get clown music because I'm looking at a trade. Perfect. Awesome. Love that. Looking at taking a trade, are you? Can I interest you in some clown music? Mid as fuck. I'm upset how I traded it. But for why? But for why? Why do you say such a thing? 67.90 wants to trade. It's at the bottom of this range. Sitting on a past top step eval. I don't have the money to activate it. Well, trading might not be for you, my friend. You could do what everybody else does, is beg influencers in their DMs and try to get blocked as many times as possible. Why would you ever trade if you don't have the money to activate, my friend? Trading is not the right thing for you to be doing. You are far too poor to be trading, my friend. Way too poor. It is not the right thing to be doing. Do not trade. Do not trade. Do not trade. Terrible idea. Markets are still rolling here. We're breaking through a lot of key support. I'm going to try a little bit of a short here. I want to see if we can stay weak underneath 50. If we can, it would be pretty lovely. We are showing some promise down here. See if we can start battering down the hatches here, right below 35. Because if we can get below that 35, oh my goodness. Watch out below. Here we go, right below those 30s. Let's see if we tuck it in. Tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in. Rin, 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 rin. And out. Bang! There we go. You know what time it is in our accounts, ladies and gentlemen. It's payout time. Give it up for Ripsy. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, that is motherfucking payout time. Bing bong biggity. Woo! That's all I really needed. That's really all I wanted to do. That's why I showed up on time. Let's go to our Lucid dashboard, shall we? Do 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 do. That's the song I sing when I'm happy. Let's see. we might be short. Hold on. We might be short by 50 bucks or 30 bucks. Hold on. Let's go to the game film. No, get out of here, intro. Shut up. This is where we're at. 39.61. Okay. 4,500 minus 39.61. Oh, God, it's 539. Okay. Whew. We're in there, baby. We're in there. Now I just have to refresh until we get there. Give me the juice. Ah, we did it. Yes. We did it. We're the greatest of all time. Yes. Okay, where's the payout button? Hey. Hey, you little fuckers, where's my payout button? You sons of bitches. Where's my damn payout button? I'm refreshing. Hold on, view details. What? Look at all these green days. Where's my fucking payout button? Gotta wait until tomorrow. You need to... I don't wait. Fucking Ripsy doesn't wait. Son of a bitch. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Son of a fuck. What am I gonna do now? Now I feel like the guy who couldn't even activate his account. God. Anyway, how's your afternoon going? How's your afternoon going? I'm having a great time. I'm having my afternoon's great. How about yours? How's yours going? Well, at least the dashboard's updating on time. At least we know that's all working. I don't know what to do now. I came in here, I slammed my dick on the table, I put my fucking wiener there, and I made money, and now I don't know what to do with myself. Well, there's that, I guess. I don't know what to do. Make more money. Well, I'm gonna lock my trade C accounts. Do I lock them all day? That was such a goated trade too. That was such a Ripsy trade. That was just so deliciously Ripsy. You know, sometimes you take a trade and you say, that's just so Ripsy. Giveaway time? I'm down to do a giveaway. I mean, shit. I thought I was going to be able to take a payout right now. What's that? JG Wentworth. I was about to JG Wentworth that shit. You know what I mean? It's my money and I want it now. Isn't that JG Wentworth? Or am I wrong on that? 877 cash now. Glowstick says, sometimes I fuck somebody's mom and I say, that's so Ripsy. Dude, same. Oh man, if I had $1 for every time that happened. Can you give me a free funded account? I can't afford it. If you learned how to spell and you spelled afford correctly, I would have done it for you. But you know, given the circumstances and the lack of spelling skills that you're showing me, I'm gonna say no. Sorry. Hey Rips, need your help. I'm passing evals, but going crazy on fundeds, overtrading death by 1,000 cuts. At open, I'm getting chopped. Kind of had the problem yesterday at open, only more. Well, are you okay to sit on your hands for the first 15 minutes and then play the opening range break trade? That's what I would suggest for you, Uncle. Cheers to you. When you need your payout and Ripsy needs cash now, call JG Wentworth. 877 cash now! I was so excited to just take a payout in the first fucking 7 minutes of GLOBEX, but now here we are just... Shit. I don't know what to do anymore. New to the stream, what do you trade? Well, we just traded NASDAQ. We just made $3,000 and I was going to withdraw it, but I have to wait until tomorrow's GLOBEX to withdraw it live with everybody. I'll do it. I'm going to do it live. We'll do it live. I'll write it. I started listening to your streams a month ago and I started getting herpes listening to you in my earlobes. Wow. I'm sorry. Oh, wait. No, I read that wrong. Started listening to your streams a month ago and it's had a positive okay. I read that completely wrong. It's had a positive impact on me when it comes to trading. Really appreciate your advice, insight, and how you roast the hell out of people. Oh, very good. I don't know how I got those words mixed up. TPT giveaway. Maybe. What do you guys want? You guys want Apex, TPT, Lucid, or Tradeify? What are you thinking? What should we do? Is Trade C still behind the clock? No, I traded them. Look at me go. I traded them right off rip, baby. Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Okay. Apex just passed 3 today. Let's add a 4th. Ooh, Caleb. Get him, Caleb. I take anything at this point. My account is gone. I'm sorry to hear that. The SJD Rising says, hey, Rips, you've probably... Oh, I missed that. Hold on. Where did it go? Son of a bitch. It was way up here. Okay, there it is. Hey, Rips, you've probably been asked 1,000 times, but which bookmap package do you recommend? Global or Global Plus? You don't need Global Plus. You don't need all the bells and whistles. Try Global for a month. You must have Global if you want to watch futures or equities. Arbel. Oh, my goodness. Christian Bell in here. Thank you, Arbel, for the gifted sub. Hey, Rips, what's the next level on your IQ? 1, 2, 3. 3. Next level on NQ is... we're trading it right now. Oh, wait, no. That's in the S&Ps. 959 quarters, which is why I took that short, by the way. God, it was so good. Oh, so good. I just want a handout and do nothing for it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. I got you. Let's go. Okay, let me see. It's funny how you don't have the payout button active, which I don't have it either for top. Dude, it's... All right, I'm going to check again. You guys are fucking with me. Yeah, it's still not there. I got to wait for the whole day. I'm happy that it's all green now, though. That's beautiful. It's so pretty. It's all green. What else did I miss here? What did I miss? Herpes can be a positive thing, too? Wait, but how? How? Rips, can you call out your trade so loud that my neighbor can trade along? I mean, if you showed up on time, you would have got that short. I called it out, and it was on my screen and everything. I swear to God. Did anybody catch the pitch and catch follow-up? I mean, Jesus. This was like... Come on, somebody had to have caught the pitch and catch follow-up. This is your pitch. This is your catch. This is your takeout. Boom. That's from the intro. Hey, Rips, what is your recommendation for risk management trading 100K Lucid account? How many micros per trade? No more than 5. Your call out sucks. I'll work on it. I'll try to do better. Your call out sucks. I love that. It's so just simple. Straight to the point. Stone Elk says, I lost my house here. You've been homeless in Kick for a while, my friend. Okay, TBT Lucid. Let's see. I'm scrolling on chat here. What's up, Mark? How are you, buddy? No, Ripsmod, they're joking. Wait, are they joking? I thought they were joking. No, they're joking. They have to be, right? I think they're joking. I think they're joking. Do you expect the market to retrace that crazy move from today? Well, I mean, first, let me ask you, G, why did it retrace? Why did that move happen? Ask yourself that question first. Why did the move happen? News. Okay. So, why do you think it would retrace if the news made it happen and then there's no news that would make it unhappen? Do you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? I mean, courtesy gets what I'm saying. Is it courtesy like courtesy but with a Q and a U? How do I say your name? Is it courtesy or Cordacy? Oh, courtesy. I like that. Is that like is that your freestyling name? I like the way it's spelled. Caught the beautiful pitch and catch. Very nice. Why is there so much lines on your chart? I don't usually see people have this much lines. I think the more the merrier. You know what I mean? Now this is, if you're talking about this chart over here, this is called Rip's key levels. This is a free indicator that you can use. And if you don't like the number of lines on it, you can just go unchecking them at any kind of speed you wish. You know, you can remove all the lines you want and then, hey, look, there's less lines. I mean, if you want even fewer lines, you could take off pretty much everything and then you could be sitting there, look at this, even fewer lines. You don't want the London session in there? Hell, fuck it. We'll get rid of all of it. Look at this. Bang, even less lines. Look at that. Now we have even fewer lines. So that is, again, it's entirely up to you. It's your world, and we're just all living in it. So I'll let you take the reins, and you can tell me what you want to see. You know what I mean? Me personally, I like as many lines as possible. That's just me, though. There we go. Look at that. Now we're lined up. It's like we went to the barber shop. Do you know what I mean, Vanilla Addis? We went to the barber shop. We're lined the fuck up. Do you see what I'm saying, though? Nice. You got the beautiful bitch and catch. Nice. When it's a test result, it can be positive. That is true. That is correct. Hey, Rip, have you tried the Funded Next Futures Legacy? No. Funded Next? Is that the one that tries to rob money from their affiliates? That might be that one. That's probably why I don't use them. Hey, Rip. My understanding is Trump said the war could end soon in less than 4 to 5 weeks. That's just speculation, and the probability of lasting longer is high. Not sure why a tweet moves the price so much. Well, let me ask you this. Markets are forward-looking, right? Markets are forward-looking. Futures are even more forward-looking. So if the market is anticipating something that's going to be happening in the future, people don't want to be late to that move, right? You want the indicator? Well, Ripspawn is going to do you a treat and drop the level, or I'm going to beat Ripspawn too. Ready? Let's see who's faster at typing. Oh, it was me. It was me. Ripsy wins. There it is. Nightbot just dropped it. Rips levels, the exact levels I use on stream. Plug into your chart, stay aligned with real market levels. Bang. It's free. What's your go-to A+ trade, IE breakout or bounce? It's pitch and catch. We talk about that trade setup all the time. All the time. And the VIX is so high, it'll be more sensitive to random shit. Correct. Correct. We have some good, smart traders in chat today. I love this. This is great. 42 points on the pitch and catch for me. Damn, Bear. Good Lord. Holy shit, it really was. It was like a 60-pointer. Nice work, brother. Got it for 850 bucks. Rip's in a good mood. I don't know why. You know, it's definitely not tied to the idea that the market moved that many points, and I may or may not know somebody who traded 100 contracts on that. Probably no correlation. Simply speculation as to the heightened mood. Simply just speculating over here. I'm speculating. Just speculating. What do you think of trading with stats for NQ? What do you mean by that? Stats. Thinking of trading with stats. Next call out scream, get it in for me. Brother, that's, I mean, you know, it's funny. I used to get that call out all the time in my clubbing days. The girls would scream that out to me. Get it in! Get it in! I use your levels indicator, but the levels are only straight across, like some of yours, which have multiple levels on one continuous line. Oh, you're talking about this one. This one. This is called Rip Scalper Pro, and it's not out yet. You're talking about, this is coming soon. This is Rip Scalper Pro. We're just putting the final touches on it. So. Let's see here. Rips, can you show us one of your cats? I've done it before. They're sleeping right now. Maybe. I might be in the kitchen. What are you cooking in the kitchen? Are you whipping on the pots? Be honest with me. Is there baking soda and water involved in the recipe that we're talking about? You can tell me. I'll keep it between us and 400 of our friends. Sometimes I'm in the kitchen too, making corn dogs for the kids. Well, yeah, I was way off. Corn dogs for the kids are starch and well, starch, baking soda, water. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I was way off. Sorry. Which one we get first? GTA 6 or Rip Scalper Pro? Good question. Fantastic question. Well, you know what we can trade is we can trade our alpha futures accounts. I'm going to refresh Lucid again. Can we take a payout? No, still can't take a payout. Damn it. I was so excited. I'm not gonna lie, I was in my pool before I got here. I was relaxing in my pool, and all I was thinking about is like, all I need to do is just nail like a $500 trade and I can get $9,000. That's all I kept thinking about in my head. And I ran into my office, came here, got live early, got situated so I could take that trade, took the trade, and now I'm like, you know. First week, it was 2 minutes on Lucid. Is the golden era over? No. It's, dude, no. It's because they have to wait until the session is over. You see, everything's working as intended. This is normal. It's not broken. Yeah, no. I am waxing my girlfriend now. Which part, Frank? It's pressure too? Pressure waxing? Wait, you're power washing your girlfriend or pressure waxing? How do you pressure wax your girlfriend? That's a new one. I don't think I've heard that. Should I know what this is? Shouldn't you be having six-figure days in this volatile market? Probably, yes. Boy, I wish I did somehow, some way. That'd be lovely. But you know me. Yeah. It's tough out there. How does the scalper tool help? I know it's not released, just wondering. So the one feature that we're going to be adding to it is going to be helping to track pitches and catches. So you can set it for like a 1 minute or a 5 minute time frame, and it'll show you when the pitch and catch is coming. It'll help you automate the strategy. That's one of the things that we're working on, making great right now. So that's kind of why we're delaying the release of it. Davey, chill. It's fun to mess with the people. I'm sure this person just got here. Money printer? Yes. Ribs, what are your VRVP settings to get it more area on the chart? You change the lines. What is it? The row size is 150. That's what I do. Row size at 150. Same thing is in TradeC. TradeC, my row size is set to 150. That's it. We keeps it real, baby. We keeps it extra real. Can you explain your pitch and catch strategy? I have it on my YouTube channel. There's a ton of videos about it. And I don't want to take away from the time of us talking about absolutely nothing else. I guess we can go over it. Well, here we go. Are you ready? Are you locked in, Haifu? Are you ready? Okay. So we start out by putting in a high. That's the open, right? When this is dropping, you can either ride the momentum to the downside, which is exactly what we did in our our Lucid accounts, or you can wait for the pitch and catch. The pitch and catch is looking for anticipated rejections lower than where the high point of the volume is. So we can assume that this is our high point up here at 78. So anything under 978 becomes a valid pitch and catch. So there's two areas that you're looking for. This would be your first one, your early entry as we're building into this. So as we crest above this earlier cluster of liquidity, you could be looking to short into that as long as we don't exceed that level. If we do exceed that level, you're looking for stops, around 85. As we come down, you can already be in the trade, or you can wait for the setup, which is the second point of no return, which would be right here as we try to claim this high. So you either enter here as you're building into the position, or you get the second setup, which would be here. And then you're looking for either a profit taking at this low, right? This temporary low, or this one that hasn't happened yet. Either way works, right? If you miss that one, you have that one, you have that one. There you go, pitch and catch. Thumbs up. The NQ Gamer says, trade based on historical data like 0200 to 0800 range. If price opens above midpoint of that range, then after 0800 price will take the highs before the lows. Okay, sounds good. How much will the indicator be? I'm gonna sell, there you go. And there's your other pitch and catch, just hit profit. So how many people actually held the bigger pitch and catch to that point? This profit. I guarantee you somebody watching did. Drop a W if that was you. You held all the way down to there. Broccoli did. There you go. I knew there'd be at least one person. On which time frame will the pitch and catch work? It works on 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, even works on the hourly. As a scalper, I don't mind taking it on the 10-second time frame, or the 5 minute, or on the 1 minute, or on a tick chart, right? It just works. It's like an Apple product. It just works. And if you're patient enough, you'll start to see it everywhere. And in fact, we have some people that are so diabolical, they've abandoned every other trading strategy and are just working with the PNC now, and their trading has just gone straight up. Their P&L has gone straight up. How much will the indicator be? It will be free. If you are paying money to me for something, it's a scam. Do not pay me money for anything. I will never DM you asking for money. I will never reach out to you. So yeah, that's if there's a Rips that's messaging you and asking for money, that's a scammer using my name. Pitch and catch, basically a liquidity grab, or am I missing something? I don't know. Maybe you call it something else. Around these parts, we call it a pitch and catch. Your social counter isn't working. You're right about that. That's weird. It'll update. Give it some time. Let me see. Well, it says it's in. Give it a second. Sometimes it takes more time than you'd think. I like the pitch and catch better. Hey, yeah, whatever works for you. I don't want to push my ideologies on you. I just want to be helpful. I just want to see you guys win. That's it. If you guys are winning and you're doing the upside down monkey bars, great. Keep doing it. If you're winning and doing the pancake flip to the blueberry dandy, do it. You know, I don't care. Whatever works for you, baby. Don't forget the Ripsy reversal after the pitch and catch. Yeah, that's a good one too. Usually works like a treat. I mean, there was a Ripsy reversal when I got out of this initial dump. I was looking to take a payout. Otherwise, like if I had only made like $200 on this pullback, I would have waited for this and then got back in and then made the 636 that I made right there. You offer all free or have any mentorship? You're in the mentorship right now, and check your wallet, but I don't think you're being charged for it. It's free. If you want it even more free, you can go over and watch on Kick. On Kick, it's even gnarlier. Wait, I think I know what's going on. Hold on. Hold on, let me see. That's what it is. I see ya, Botrix. There we go. All right, we should be good now. Maybe the social counter will start working again. That's what it was. It's only counting the Kick views and not the YouTube views. There we go. Oh, this is a great song. I love this one. All right. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. We'll see. Ribs, if you had to recommend a funding account now, direct or challenge 50K with EOD, which company? It depends on your budget. Apex is very cheap right now. Apex is extremely cheap right now. So can that special person yeet long on NQ asking for a friend? Well, I think they just did. There you go. Edio says, brother, I first learned ICT a few years ago, starting to trade crypto and paid for courses in groups and never got anywhere except in the hole. The last year and a half, shifting from that garbage to momentum and learning from you and the motherfucking pitch and catch, I'm consistently passing accounts and pulled multiple payouts, now just working on patience in my tilt. Thank you, Rips. Let's go. Give it up for Edio. Boy, howdy do I love to see that. That makes me happy. Nice work, man. Hold on, let me see something here for maybe if a give. I want to make sure the giveaway bot is working. Let's see. Okay, let's see if this works. The Apex is cheap, but if you pass you off to, yeah, it's $99 to pay the fee. But I mean, so like Lucid, there is no activation fee, right? Lucid, you can do the no activation pants dance. Tradeify you still have to pay. Wait, does Tradeify have any free activation accounts? Anybody know? What happened to my YouTubers? There they are. I don't know why, but Botrix I don't think is working in YouTube. I think that's an issue. I want to do a giveaway in YouTube, but I don't think Botrix is working. Tradeify, oh, select. Select, there is no activation fee. Okay, so select. TPT has no activation if you use code RIPS. Yeah, Botrix isn't working. That's what's going on. Son of a bitch. Let me try to do this. Log in with YouTube. Okay. I don't know. Well, this song is terrible. You know what we need? Market is pushing up right now. I'm flat. We could try this. There we go. A little something, a little pep in your step, a little groove. I'm bummed out that Botrix is not working right now for YouTube. I can't do a giveaway on YouTube. What a shame. That's weird. Something's all jacked up with YouTube and Botrix today. What a shame. I pay for this too. What a bunch of nonsense. At least Nightbot's working. What's going on with TradeC? It's not working? Yeah, even watch time. Oh, it is working in Kick. It's just not working in YouTube. I don't know, guys. Kind of annoying, huh? Yeah, see, YouTube counter is set to nothing. I don't know. Maybe it'll fix itself eventually. Oh well. Do you know the prop top one? I've never used them before. I don't have any opinion on them because I've never used them. Giveaway already happened? No, it's just that Botrix is fucked up right now. Botrix is not working with YouTube for some reason. And I'm kind of bummed out about it because I really wanted to do a giveaway today to celebrate. It's kind of annoying. I don't know what's going on here. Let me try this. Is this a picture catch? It was, yeah. Right here was, yes. That, and then there's your second entry right there. That's your takeout down there. Sorry, I'm just trying to get something done here. Do. Sorry, this is taking me so long. I want to do a giveaway in YouTube, and I'm just having an issue here. That's all. Kind of annoying. I love this level indicator. Nice. I'm happy that it's working for you. Ah, found it. Sweet. Amazing. Okay. I think we are... Is it working yet? It might be. Oh yeah, we should be hearing about all the Apex rules since day 5 today. That's right. Is anybody getting a payout on Apex, by the way? I know this is not a bad song, right? Let's see if the chatbot's working at all. How do we know when not to take a PNC? Is there order flow or velocity? Yeah, the amount of contracts that are being traded. I'm sorry, this is just... That's so annoying how the YouTube thing is not working. It's so fucking annoying. I hate this. And their support is just trash. I can't create a premium ticket right now. That is so annoying. The fuck is going on? I am premium. Son of a bitch. Nah, you don't need to do that, Julius. No. You're the only person. Like, I know that they talked about there's some Twitter posts. I have not heard of anybody needing to do any of that shit, so. I have not seen any of that anywhere. All right. Okay, back to trading. What's up, NQES? Rips, I said hi to you last time, but you didn't say anything back. Hi, I'm right here. Don't worry, I'm right here, buddy. I'm literally trying my hardest to get this working so that we can do a giveaway in YouTube and Kick at the same time. That's all I want. I just don't understand what's the fuck's broken with this. Okay, unlink, re-sign in. Ready, and go. And it says it's all set up and everything, but it's lying to me. I don't think Botrix got in the channel. Maybe Ripsmod muted them. Wouldn't that be funny? Maybe Ripsmod like banned them. That'd be fucking hilarious. Let's see here. There we go. Moderators. They're in there. Oh well. I don't know. This shouldn't be this difficult, you know what I mean? Maybe that'll work. Let's see. Maybe this will work. Let's try this. Because all I want to do, I'm just trying to do a giveaway for us. Like, I want to give away some shit. And I can't do it without the giveaway bot. That's the problem. This must be like a new issue that they're having. Okay, unlink. Yes. Come. Try it from over here now. Okay. Hey, there's Botrix. Hello. It worked. Thank you for joining there, buddy. Huh. There we go. Now it should start working. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, 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 doot. Sweet. Come on down. Let's see if we can get a giveaway popping now. Doot, 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 doot. Hey, Rip, tuning scalp NQ 2 points, 50 cons, and make 20 bands. I don't know. You tell me when you're ready for it, and we'll do it. $2 points and 50 contracts. Sounds like a plan. You say when. We'll do it. We'll do it together. Ashton says, good night, chat. Not feeling well. Oh. Well, I hope you feel better, Ashton. See if this works. Oh, how are we not? What would be the stop loss in 50 contracts for 2 points? I would never take such a dumbass trade. That's retarded. I would never take such a trade. I was completely bullshitting with that moron. I would never, ever, ever take a two-point trade. That's crazy talk. Okay, I think it's working. Finally fucking working. God, I just want so bad to do a giveaway for you guys. That's all I'm trying to get here. Okay, does this work now? Okay, let's see. Please, come on. That work? Okay, wait, hold on. We got one. Let's see if this works. Got one person on YouTube now. Let's see if Botrix figured it out. I was thinking about getting rich quick. All right, we got one YouTube viewer. If that goes up, then we can do the giveaway. I don't know why Botrix is just all fucked up. It's the only way I can do giveaways across platforms. So I'm just trying to get it working on both there. You know what I mean? If that number goes up, we're in business, baby. Give it a few minutes. Oh no, I know there's 224. We just need the bot to recognize that. Right now, the bot only thinks there's one person, and it's the bot. Gringo says, who cares about YouTube? Let me see if we can go chatbot, giveaways, alerts, widgets, giveaways. Where's the giveaway? Hey, there we go. All right, it's working. Hold on. Now. Aha. We are in business. It recognizes all of you now. Beautiful. Wonderful. Wunderhausen. And bang, there we go. All right, everybody's here. Okay, let's do the giveaway. And I'll let it be dealer's choice. You can pick either a Lucid account, a Tradeify account, or an Apex account. How about that? Are you guys down with that? I wonder why the bot didn't see YouTube as real people. You guys are so mean to the YouTubers, man. Why are you guys so mean to the YouTubers, dude? I don't understand. What do they do to you? All right. Let's see if this works. Yes? Okay. Show me YouTubers, please. Yeah, there we go. Okay, fuck yeah, it's working. Sweet. Okay. So here we go. Ripsmod, if you would, we're gonna do a multi-point inspection here. First link that you guys are gonna click is gonna be the Lucid link. Ripsmod is gonna drop the Lucid link first. You need to click this link, and we're all gonna go hunting for a word. Okay, there it is. You guys are so mean. Okay, so go ahead and click the Lucid link. There's gonna be 3 words. This is a 3-part extravaganza hunt, okay? This is a 3-part hunt. The first word, you're gonna scroll down. Don't type in the word yet, okay? Don't type in the word yet. The first word, it says choose your blank. That's word number 1. Hold. Do not type in that word. It will get you nothing, okay? That's word number 1. Choose your blank. That's word number 1. You're gonna type in 3 words without spaces. That's word number 1. Just wait. Word number 2, you're gonna go on Tradeify's website. Here comes the Tradeify link. Okay? Here comes the Tradeify link. And remember, if you type in the word and spoil it for people, then you're gonna be behind. Choose your blank. Yep. Good job, Katie. Okay, here comes the Tradeify link. Here comes the Tradeify link. Ripsmod is doing it with fire and fury. Very, very quickly here. Here comes Ripsmod. All right. Go on, Ripsmod. Here comes the Tradeify link. Here it comes. Here it comes. Wow, Ripsmod is so fast tonight. There they go. Oh, I love you, Ripsmod. You're so fast. You're so quick. Okay, just scroll down. The second word is going to be over 110 million verified blank. Don't type in that word yet. So we have 2 words. You're going to write them back to back. But wait, there's more. There's a 3rd word. And I know I'm sorry because Ripsmod is going to take 10 years to find this link. You're going to go to the Apex link. The Apex link. It's not Octopus Burrito. I know, it sounds like that's what it would be. Here comes the Apex link. Oh my God, Sandy DB can't even wait. Here comes, there's the Apex link coming in hot. Here it comes. Okay, 3rd and final word is going to be, see where it says the Apex difference? Okay, the 3rd and final word is the ultimate blank to be in the markets. Now type all 3 words together, and that is the password for the giveaway. Type it in the chat box right now. As 1 word with no spaces in it. Let's see if we can get here. Let's see if we can all do this. Come on, baby. Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah, we figured it out. You guys are legends. Yes, there we go. Awesome. Woo, we did it with the help of Ripsmod. How about that? Oh my goodness. And here we go. Off to the races, baby. How fun. Let me go over here. Look at that. We're all getting in there too. Everybody's getting in. It's a lot of fun. So when we get up, we got 800 people watching. When we get half that, we'll probably do the first drawing for this one. All right. So this is going to be for dealer's choice. Now, here's the follow-up, right? Here's the follow-up. This is how you're going to claim this. If I land on your name, you have 60 seconds to type something in chat. Go ahead and type like, woo, yay, I won, whatever. The second part is you're going to tell me what your username is on Instagram or on X. You must be following me. On X, it's x.com/rips. On Instagram, it's instagram.com/ripstrades. Follow me on either one, whichever one you want. I'm not biased against either one, whichever. Both is better, right? The third thing is you're going to tell me either you want an Apex account, a Tradeify account, or a Lucid account. You're going to pick from one of those three. The Apex accounts are going to be any size. The Tradeify accounts are going to be 50K Tradeify growth accounts. Okay, does that all make sense? Are we all on the same page here? I'm doing my best to give you some free stuff. So it's either a 50K growth, Apex any size, or a Lucid 50K, probably Flex account. Okay? Seem fair? I think it's fair. See, Davey Trade already figured it out. You're ready to go. You already have it ready to go, copied and pasted. See, Travis in Air already has it. Finally, see, you're already ready to win the free prize. All right, maybe when we get to 350 participants, that's when we can do the giveaway. Well, we got there right when I said it. So I guess we can wait until about 400. The keyword is not pink tacos. It's very close to that, but yeah, it's not. Oh man, look at those. Those are so sick. Okay. Just passed my Apex account this morning. I could use a new one. Let's go. I like where your head's at. All right, at 370, I'm going to roll. And then that person is going to have, well, let's say 375 because we're very close. And then that person is going to, we're going to roll. They're going to have 60 seconds to claim whoever's name I land on, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, I feel like that's fair. You guys ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got 375. We're rolling. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Our winner of tonight. Who's it going to be? Who's the luckiest person in the land tonight? Wow, a lot of kicksters. Is it going to be a kickster or a YouTuber? Oh my God. Feature strategist? Bathing Ape? Oh my God, I think it's going to be a YouTuber. Corgo? I think Corgo's in both. Wow, Corgo is very smart. Very sneaky. I like where your head's at. Okay, Corgo. You got 60 seconds to claim. Let's see. There you are. Congratulations. Corgo's on Lucid. All right, let's do it. That's our first winner of the night, ladies and gentlemen. Is that going to be our last winner of the night? Nope, it certainly is not. That's not gonna be our last winner. You think I do one giveaway and I stop? Do I look like a quitter to you? Is that the type of person I look like to you? A quitter? That's not me. No, sir. Okay, let's find Corgo first. Wait. That's not you. That's not you. That's not you. You said at Corgo. You don't follow me. Is that you? Corgo, that's you? Corgo? You might have just blown your opportunity here. Damn, I thought you were going to claim this very quickly. Oh, it's King Corgo. Well, I mean, how was I supposed to guess that? I mean, I'm not a psych. Like, I don't know what I would have to be to get that. Okay, there you go. That looks more like you because you follow me. Okay. Do you guys think we should still give it to them, even though they fumbled their name? I don't know. Yeah, I think we got to give it to Corgo. All right, give it up for Corgo. Congratulations, buddy. You've won before. That's not your first time winning something. You've won stuff before. That's nice, man. Well done. Good job. All right, let me grab this for you. How about, what do you want, a Lucid Pro? A Lucid Pro? Okay. How about a Lucid Pro? That seems fair. Let's give him a Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro 50K. Bang. There you go. Congratulations, pal. All right. Let's do another one. Are you guys ready to do another one? And then we can put it on ice and come back at the end of the stream and do it at the end of the stream. Does that seem fair? Let's do one more right now. Let's do one more. To heck with everybody that's trying to tell me. Look, there's people that are spamming the chat. Don't do it. Don't do it. Stop it. Stop the giveaways. Listen, I'm not going to let you tell me to stop doing the giveaways. I'm not going to listen to these people that are telling me to stop. We're going to keep it rolling. Here we go. Bang. Good luck, everybody. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Here we go. We need some giveaway music. I want some pump me up music. Pump me up. Ooh, the beef farmer. Boners? Boners? Oh, it's not Bomers. I'm just a trader. I'm just a trader. I'm just a trader. You got 60 seconds to claim, my man. Congratulations to you. Cake is getting rinsed, dude. It's pretty disgusting. Let's see. Hey, they claimed it. Looks like they're claiming it. Okay. Now, what is your name on Instagram? What is your name on X? This is live, believe it or not. This is live. It's live, baby. We're just trying to get I'm Just a Trader to claim his prize right now. He could be winning right now. Let's see. Don't put the @ symbol when you're typing in your username. Just put like your username and what you want. Same name on X, okay. And what would you like? Would you like a Lucid account? Would you like a Tradeify 50K growth? Would you like Apex any size? Where's your head at on this one? What are you thinking? You do follow me. Okay, very good. Lucid? Okay. How's a Lucid Pro 50K sound for you? Does that sound good? I think that works. Give it up for I'm Just a Trader. Better known by his friends as Luciano. My man. There you go. Now here's the deal. Lucid Pro 50K. Here's the deal. I feel like we should just do another one right now. What do you guys think? Just do one more and then we'll put it on ice? We do one more and then we put it on ice. For real though. One more and then we put it on ice. Right? One more. Do you know why I'm doing this, by the way, right? Because we hit a payout. Second payout for these Lucid accounts. It's our third payout on Lucid overall. Can we get like a little let's go in chat? Like a little W in chat for Ripsy over here? Like I'm stoked on that. You know what I mean? I'm kind of stoked on that. That's free money, baby. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. This is definitely some giveaway music. Hold on. See if I got some game show music here. Game show. Yeah, coming up to the stage is Cinnamon. Sounded better in my head. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Now, good luck, everybody. Here we go. We are spinning for winning. We're spinning. We're spinning for a winner. Let's see. Dude, YouTube is just taking the cake tonight. How do we have more YouTubers than Kicksters? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh my God, it's gonna be another YouTuber. Oh my God, DVO. You got robbed. Oh no. Always ready. On Kick, let's see. Wow, that was fast. Okay, always ready. How do I find you? Congratulations. How do I find you, sir? Let's see if you're ready or not. Okay, well, you got to tell me what your username is, how I can find you, and what you would like. Okay, Lucid Flex. Always ready, Dallas Fort Worth on Twitter. Okay, let me see. I might not have any Lucid Flex. That's the problem. That's the only issue. I might only have Lucid Pro. Let me see. Let me just make sure. You do follow me. Nice. Are you from Dallas Fort Worth? Okay, hold on. You'll take a Pro? Okay, that makes life easy. I don't even need to check. All right, let's give it to you. Lucid Pro 50K eval. Lucid Pro 50K eval. Now, there you go. Congratulations to Always Ready. There you go. Easy game, guys. Easy game. All right, we'll come back to the giveaway later. That's fun, though. I love doing giveaways. Okay. You know what we're giving away? Let me show you guys here. These are the... So I have Lucid Black accounts, which is basically deprecated now. So these are the accounts that I traded. These are my Lucid Black accounts. I'm ready to get my... Where's my payouts? Okay, go to my payouts. Look at this. I got my first payout from Lucid ever. I got $15,000 in payouts. Well, here, let me move this so you can see all of them. There you go. So I got $15,000 in payouts. This song is terrible, by the way. I don't know what happened here. This is... Okay. Gotta go back to normal music here. Let's try. There we go. Something a little funky. Okay. So these are my Lucid payouts, right? I've gotten one payout for $3,000 per. I've gotten one payout for $2,000 per. And then if you look here, I'm about to be eligible again for these bad doggers. This is the second payout for these Lucid Black 100K accounts. My cost for these accounts was, well, I don't know how much they were now, but like, if you look over here, with code RIPS and TradeC, these are really not that expensive, if I'm being honest. Like they're very inexpensive for what you can get for payouts. There's no activation fee on these accounts, and you activate them as soon as you pass them. I think Lucid is probably one of my favorite firms right now. So if you're wondering like what I'm trading, how I'm getting money from these things, this is what I'm doing. So how do you get that new platform TradeC? This one right here that we traded on? How do you get that platform? Well, when you're checking out, you select platform, it's right here. TradeC. Keep in mind it is in beta, so it can have a couple issues, but I mean, if you don't want to do that, you have Tradebait Prop, Ninja Trader Prop, or you can trade on TradingView, which I just do not recommend. This is the one that I do recommend, is being on TradeC with your Lucid accounts. If you do win a Lucid Pro, it's this one right here. It's a 50K, Lucid Pro 50K. You just type in the coupon code that I send you, and it's free. So there you go. That's what we're working with tonight. Not a bad gig, man. Not a bad gig. I love these Lucid accounts. It's no longer in beta? Is that right? Let me see. No, it is. Yeah, no, it is. It says beta on my screen. So, does anybody have any questions about Lucid or the accounts or anything about Lucid? I'm happy to go over anything because it's pretty unlikely that. Well, I'm certainly not going to touch my Lucid accounts until I get them paid out. The AI is in beta, not the platform? Are you sure? Are you for real? How long did it take you to pass these accounts? Very good question. I think it was 2 or 3 trading days. We can check out my trading calendar on these bad boys if you'd like. Here, let me bring this over here. So if we look at, bring this over here. Okay. So if we bring this over here, bring this over here. I'm trying to fit the whole shebangle in here. Okay, so if I go to Compass, these are my trades right here. Wow, look at this. This is pretty. So these are my trades in these accounts. Look at this. There you go. February, 513 bucks. This is per account. 1,400 bucks. You know all those knuckleheads who are like, hey man, you can't have green every day. You know what you say to those people? You say, bend over and spread your cheeks. Now shove your fist straight. You say something, right? You can have all green days. You really can. It's possible. And this is on a prop firm. Like, here, I'll refresh it. You can't fake the funk, baby. I got an 80% win rate on these accounts. Yes, I do lose trades, but by golly, I end green, baby. I end green. Lito says, with enough lube, anything is possible. Of course, even being green every day. My biggest drawdown here. I don't really have a drawdown thing. Oh, here we go. My average loss. So I think I've had one loss or a few losses. I don't know. I don't speak brokenese. I don't know. Anyway, these are my stats. Somebody's asked me about my stats before, but you know, it's a steady climb to Valhalla. That's kind of all we do. That's really what we do, right? What else was I going to show you? Oh, somebody said something about where's my chat on? Where did that come from? Wait, can somebody say something in YouTube chat? My YouTube chat's frozen. That's what's going on. I couldn't see this whole time. I'm sorry, YouTubers. I was wondering what was going on. My YouTube chat was completely broken. I couldn't even see what you folks were writing. Hold on, let me my whole thing has crashed. No wonder. Firefox, you dirty dog, you. Good golly. Firefox has gone down like a prom date in a movie theater. Goodness. Let me do this. Let me open it up over here on Google Chrome. I was wondering why my YouTube chat was barely moving, and now I know. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, now I can see you guys. Okay. Hi, YouTubers. Okay, so 50% of your profit. That's incorrect. So there's limits on what you can withdraw for sure. How come you have trades over the weekend? Well, let's go see. I don't know. No, it says no trades found for this date. I think that this is actually Sunday. I think that's what that is. I don't know. I'm not really sure, to be honest. Does anybody else have trades on their weekend? If you go into Lucid, remember, this is still in beta, the trade C. Anybody else have this? I don't know. When I click on it, Thursday works. It's just a bug. Okay. Well, it's just a bug. It's a little bit funny. Oh, so this is what I made in yesterday's GLOBEX. So for some reason, it's just bugging out. So I made that in yesterday's GLOBEX stream. It's just bugging out. That's what it is. Oh. Good statistic. That's funny. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. Least profitable Sunday, 229. But if we scroll up to the calendar, I'm trying to click it. It's not. I can't click it. But I can click on Saturday, and it does that. So I don't know. Levi says, dude, I got the Opera browser a couple weeks ago. It's crispy. Okay, back to it was. Who was it in here? Red Candles. You're like, yo, you can only withdraw 50%. No. That's not true at all. You can withdraw. There's limits. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, because this is gonna be fun. We can go over here, Lucid. Check this out. So we go over here. We go to the help FAQ, and then check this out. Lucid Pro, and then you go to payouts. It'll tell you right here what you can take out. Right. You got your consistency, you got your buffer, and then right here, payout minimums and maximums. The maximum payout you can take out is $3,000. So it took you over a little week to pay. No. Those are only the funded. No. This is, here, let me show you. Watch this. Go to my account summary. I don't have any evals. Here, let me see one thing. I don't want to show like any of my passwords for my login for anything. Hold on one second. Let me just see something. I'll go here. How does it show me there? Huh. Okay. I was seeing if I could go back and check, but it won't do that. But anyway, so view details. Yeah, here's this right here. See, it doesn't show the GLOBEX trades either there, but yeah, no, I passed these. You'd have to go back and watch the replay of the streams, Victor. I think I passed them like in 3 days or 2 days. I don't remember. I'm not a doctor. I mean, a lot of people think I'm just not. So I don't really remember, but you know, there's all of my my trade days on it. To be honest with you, I'm just taking it slow and steady. You know what I mean? Like I'm just trying to chill. Some would say I'm even super ultra mega big chilling on these accounts. Some would say. But anyway, so payout 2 and beyond, $3,500 per account. So that means, hold on, let's whip out the old TI-83, shall we? Here, let me slide this on in. Boo, whip. Okay, so watch this. $3,500 times 5 accounts minus their cut of 10%. This is what you'd get paid out, baby. $1,570. Sorry, I can't speak. $15,750. Oh, you know what they call that? $15,750. They call that the Yahtzee. That's not bad. That's not bad. I think that's really good. That's not bad. God Candle says, did you stream yesterday? I was looking forward to it, but didn't see it. You were looking forward to me streaming yesterday, but you didn't see it now. Wait, hold on. I was really looking forward to going to the 1983 World Series, but that was 40 years ago. Let me ask you a question. Is your name Emmett Brown? Do you have a DeLorean? What's going on? What's the joke here? Huh. How do you... I was looking forward to yesterday's stream, but I don't see it today. Huh. That's a new one for me. What's the indicator that shows the London highs, monthly lows, etc.? That, Victor, is the free indicator called Rip's Key Levels. Would you like it? Right here, this one, Rip's Key Levels, baby. Watch this. Exclamation point levels. Watch this. Watch what the Nightbot does. Watch this. You ready, Victor? Are you sitting down? I hope so. It'd be weird to watch a stream standing up. Bang, there it is. Rip's levels. The exact levels I use on stream. Plug into your chart, stay aligned with real market levels. Bang. Click that link. You'll get it right now for free. Tomorrow, I'm raising the price. It will be free. The next week, the price is actually going up to free. So I would get it before it goes a little bit higher. It'll go to free and then a free.free. Free. Free 50. Which trade copier do you trust for Apex when you're running 20 accounts? Me personally, I use the Tradeovate built-in copier. However, I wanted to run this idea by my internet friends. That's you guys. What do you guys think about me trading on NinjaTrader tomorrow and using Replicanto? What do you think? I was thinking about doing that because Tradeovate has been kind of ass for me lately. Although today, Tradeovate had no issues, but I was only copy trading 3 accounts, which reminds me, oh my goodness, I'm getting 5 new TPT Pro accounts tomorrow. I'm back in Pro, baby. Oh my goodness, I'm back in Pro tomorrow with Tradeovate, which may or may not be a good thing. I'm not sure. Huh. Ninja owns Tradeovate. I know that part. Anna, why not? Why don't you think we should do NinjaTrader? What's your beef with it? I'm curious what you guys think. Here, I'm going to go back to Bookmap so we can see the price doing nothing here. I'm curious why no. Why no NinjaTrader? Because I kind of want to give it a shake, but I'm not sure. Yeah, Replicano's ass. So, yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Replicano's been kind of cheeks lately, hasn't it? For 20 accounts? Do you know what I mean? Any reason you don't use TradingView? I use TradingView for my own personal cash account, but I'm not going to use TradingView for a prop account. Why? Because it goes through multiple layers. It's not what you want to do. The only time I'll ever use TradingView is when it's a direct connection. The Lucid one might be a direct connection, but I doubt it. It's probably still going to be laggy. Yes, use Replicano and trade all of your accounts. I use it too. Chad, do you use it on 20 accounts? Be honest with me. Because I swear the last time I tried it on 20 accounts was like last year and I had issues with it. So I'm just trying to be honest with you. You don't have that many. So, okay. So yeah, so I think that it works fine with 5 to 10 accounts, but once you start going more than 10 accounts, it gets kind of fucky. Like God Candle says, trusted Replicano and NinjaTrader twice with 10 funded accounts and it always glitches. To be honest, when TradeEvade is working, I don't have issues with it. It's when TradeEvade starts throwing me a bunch of issues that I have problems with it. So I'm just kind of in between a rock and a hard place. We have TradeEvade, NinjaTrader, or Wealth Charts. Those are our options to trade with Apex. The good news is that I no longer have to watch the 30% MAA rule, and I don't have to watch the trailing drawdown. So NinjaTrader could make sense. However, Replicano copying 20 accounts could be an issue. So, I'm just kind of torn right now. I'm like Natalie Imbruglia. Is that she did the song Torn, right? Is that Natalie who did that song, or is that somebody else? Who am I thinking of? Has anyone taken a payout from Payout on the new accounts? I think tonight is the first night we will see that. So I'm sure there's somebody in the Rips Nation who's going to be taking a payout. Drop a W in chat. Is anybody taking a payout? Drop a W in chat if you're taking a payout from Apex tonight. Did anybody get there? Let me find out when the Apex sale ends. Let me text my rep. Let me see. When does the Apex 85% off sale end, please? See, I said please. Maybe that'll let them extend it. You have to have TradeEvade phone tech support on speed dial to have it reset mid-trade. I'll be honest though, I haven't had any issues with TradeEvade until recently. I swear it's because they tried to introduce this stupid lockout feature, which, by the way, I know you guys love it. I'm never going to use it. I'm a degenerate. I'm never going to lock out my accounts because I live by the philosopher of, what's his name? That famous philosopher, Justinius Biberian. Or what was it? Justinius Biberius? He said, never thou shalt say never. And that's why I don't ever lock out. That was from Justinius Biberius. He said, never shall thou ever lock out. Never say never. That's what he said. So I lived my life by that philosophy. It's sort of like Marcus Aurelius Stoicism, but it's a little bit modified. So for me, I'm never going to use that lockout button. Or pull out. That's not my problem. Kick the can down the road. 9 months from now, you get a phone call. That's why God created the clear call button. Not my problem. Sorry. Anyway, I have rips and I was approved instantly. Really? Really? Interesting. No, you'll run out of API requests from running 20 copied accounts. You know what's funny is I never have, and I'm a pretty active trader. Never lock out, always pull out. I'm with you halfway there. Never lock out, always pull out. You have me in the first half. I don't know about the second half. Rips, get the Justin Bieber. I'm going to pass on that too. You blew 20 accounts that way. Oh, with the API request. It's crazy. I've never run into the API request issue myself. And I'm not like trying to flex or anything. I would love to run into that issue, but you know. You requested $1,112 was approved instantly. On the new Apex? Hold on. Gilbert, on the new Apex. Are we talking about the same thing? Or what are we talking about? Move to level 3. Wait, what the fuck is level 3? What's level 3? Congratulations, by the way. What the fuck is level 3? 50K in 5 days. Oh. And these are on the new Apex, not the legacy Apex? Is this new Apex? Wow, give it up for this new legend right here, Gilbert. Yo, Gilbert. You fucking legend, you. Instantly approved. How about that? Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit peanut butter and jealous. I have not passed a single new Apex account. It's so bad. I was $1,500 away from passing, and then I was like a young man going in for a quickie. I blew my load very quickly. I was $1,500 away from passing, and I think I was streaming this live. And I couldn't contain myself. I had one bad trade, and before you knew it, my load hath been blown. And there went the accounts. It was a sad tale, and I hate to tell it. I'm a little bit peanut butter and jealous, though, because I wish that I was in Gilbert's seat right now. I'm over here just taking a $9,000 payout. So how much are you actually getting paid? 50K accounts. How many have you copied? Did you do one account? I got a couple freshies and blew a couple others. Sounds like my ex-girlfriend. Gilbert, I'm coming for you. Get him, Lido. There you go. You don't copy. Okay. Good comms. All right. So you do one account. You're getting a payout for $1,100. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Rips, have you ever tried Quant Tower with Rhythmic accounts? So we tried to set it up on stream one time. We tried to do that on stream one time. Here was the issue. I'll just come out and say it. I'm mentally retarded. So when I tried to use Quant Tower, there wasn't enough neurons firing up here. Long story short, it didn't happen. If somebody would come over and set it up for me during my helmet time, then I'd be able to do it. But, you know, old Ripsy can't do it himself. I tried. I really tried. It just didn't work out for me. Do they still not use the Apex trade copier? I bought it years ago, so I don't know. I know that Apex did have a trade copier in the past. I've never used it myself, so I can't really comment on it. I could go back to Sierra Chart. Bro, it's been I wonder if I still have a license for Sierra Chart. I'm curious about that. That would be wild if I still have a license for Sierra Chart. Being at level 3 for a 50K account, your DLL is now at 2,000 and now 4 minis max. There you go. Nice. Sierra's for boomers. There you go. It worked for you with 20 accounts, no delays or anything. What platform? Was it Ninja Trader? Ninja Trader plus the Apex trade copier? Comes with Amp Broker, I think. You have to pay for the Sierra license, I think. Interesting. So the only one that I've used is the Replicanto trade copier, and I've just had issues with it. We have a lot to think about, I guess, this evening of what I can do, because I want to deploy 20 Apex accounts, and I want to do the 150Ks. It's just that it's a lot of, like, man, that's a lot. You got to make today would have been an easy day to make $9,000 in those things. Let me see if my Tradeovate got rid of all of my blown accounts. Let's see. I want to see. Let me log in over here to Tradeovate. Get in my Apex login here. Let's see. Let's see if it's a graveyard of blown accounts. I still have no, it is. God, what? Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't want you in here. It says I got $2,000 of daily loss limit. I don't want you. Get out of my account. Oh no, there's stragglers in here too with $11 worth of drawdown. What is this? Why are you in here? I got stragglers. Golly. They got stragglers in here. What do I have these for? Hold on, let me see what account number this is and try to blow these things. I'm going to get on my hands and knees. What are you doing down there? Don't mind me. I'm just blowing an account. That's it. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay. All right, that one's gone. Now we go to this one. Open wide. There we go. Okay, that one is now blown. Okay, hold on. Let me see on this one. I'm going to do micros on this one. Let me see if I can blow this one. Get your head out of the gutter. All right, let's see. Can I do 1 mini or 1 micro on this one? Let me see. No, see, that's rejected. Why are you still in my thingy thing then? I don't want you in here. Get out of here. It says distance to drawdown. They're all blown. All right, I need to message my... Hold on, give me a moment. Gotta message my... And tell them to remove these accounts. Get these out of here. Nobody wants these. Ew. Disgusting. Get them out of here. Okay. That's all solved now. Great. Super. Okay. Bottom of the hour in 5 seconds. We might get some data here. So buckle in. Be careful. Could get a little bumpy. Wait, why do these alphas only have 5250 worth of drawdown? Shouldn't they have more? Is it a daily drawdown that resets? For shame. Oh. Hold on. Give me a second here. And there we go. All right. So these have 5250 worth of drawdown. I have to make basically $9,000 more in these accounts to pass them. But the most I can make is 50%, so the most I can make would be $6,000 in a day. Does Apex still have no DCA? No, the new rules are very simple. Do not hit your daily drawdown limit. That's it. Don't do any prohibited trading activities, which is like paying for a service that trades for you, having your mom trade, having a high frequency trading robot, that kind of shit. Those are all prohibited activities. However, oh, QQ with 1 gifted. Thank you, pal. If you just trade regularly, you're going to be fine, right? If you just trade your style, whatever that is, you're fine. That's the new rules. Okay, I'm gonna send this to my Apex people. Do. Okie dokie. All right, back to business here. Does Apex still have we answered that. By the way, Rips, I'm in Vegas too. Nice, Gilbert. You are a legend, sir. What part of Vegas are you in? I love living in Vegas. There's Summerlin, Southern Highlands, Henderson, and Lake Las Vegas. All beautiful areas. Henderson, there you go. Hey, give it up for Gilbert out here in Henderson, Las Vegas. Does Apex allow DCA? I answered that. Benji's as well? Holy shit, look at this. Got the whole damn neighborhood here. I answered that. Yes, you can DCA till your heart is content. Go crazy, man. That's 40 Kuya. North Las Vegas, so that is what, Summerlin? We got somebody from Silverado Ranch, there you go. Rhodes Ranch, nice. Very nice. Which is your preferred area to live in Vegas? Summerlin, Southern Highlands, Henderson, or Lake Las Vegas. Those are my top picks. Aliante. Ooh, very nice. Who got Katie the house? Wait, was that you, QQ? You got Katie a house? Good Lord. Wow. Unbelievable. Why no trades? Well, that, sir, looks like a trade. Clear snipe. That, to me, looks like I took a trade. Furthermore, that looks like there's trade activity in GLOBEX too. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? How dare you? How dare you? I'm just thinking about yesterday's stream was just... Oh man, yesterday's stream was hilarious. There's people catching strays. I was not having it. Rips, I don't like when you say unbelievable. Unbelievable? I'd say unbelievable with an L. Unbelievable is like the old restaurant, I think. Heard you went off and I missed it. Well, that's why you have to show up to the live stream. You're going to miss the blow-ups. Those are the best parts. I think that there are some people who tune in specifically just for the crash outs. I think there's people out there that don't even give a fuck about the trading content. They're like, I can't wait to see this moron crash out again. It's my favorite part. See, look, present. That's me. I hate when this guy trades, but boy, I tell you, when he crashes out, that is entertainment. A+ crash out. That was pretty top tier. I'm not gonna lie. That was top tier crash out material right there. That was the greatest I've ever seen you, brother. You must not be watching for a long time. That was probably, if we're ranking my top 100 crash outs, because there's been at least that many, we're probably at around like a 76 there. 77. Maybe a 67. 67-ish. Somewhere around there. You get at 5 a.m. to start trading? 5 a.m. is when the stream starts, my friend. I'm up at 2 o'clock in the morning. What's your experience with alpha futures? Okay, so check this out. No bullshit. I had funded accounts this morning. I blew them in one fucking trade. Really stupid. I was up a little bit per account and I had funded accounts, but I blew them and I got fucked on. I was taking a very risky trade. It was a terrible trade. In hindsight, it was god awful. But, you know, sometimes I get hooked on these trades where I'm like, well, if it just works, I can get so many points and get this out of the way, which is kind of stupid because alpha funded futures has sort of the same rules as Top Step did or does. I haven't traded Top Step in over a year, so I don't know what they're at now. But alpha, dude, you can trade $200 a day for 5 days and take a payout. The first 3 payouts, though, they pay you with a 70% profit split. But you could take up to $15,000 per account trading 3 accounts. So that'd be $45,000. What's quick math on that? 45,000, what is that? 31,000. 31,500 is what you would take after the first split. So I was up like $200 and something in each account, which, you know, I paid $450 to activate my accounts this morning. $450. I was up like $250, $260 per account. Here's what happened. You can go back and watch the replay. My copy trader wasn't selected in Tradeovate. I put on 3 contracts, minis, in just one account. That kind of gave me a little, you seen that short I have with the tilt monster on your shoulder? Gave me a little tilt. I was like, God damn it. I hate when Tradeovate does this. I fucking hate Tradeovate when it fucks me like this. And I was like, oh, stupid. You should have looked and made sure the copy group was selected before you click the button. I didn't do that pre-flight checklist. That's on me. Anyway, long story short, I took a trade where I added into it and it just started ripping my face off. I thought we were going to get the drop. We eventually did get the drop, but it wasn't until long after the market opened. Long story short, I traded like a retard. I blew my alpha funded accounts. I have 3 more evaluation accounts, and they all have about $3,000 of profit in them. You have to make $12,000 of profit to pass these 150Ks. You have as much time as you need. I think they're monthly. So here we go. You know, that's what we got. Can you add 2 positions in red on Apex? Okay, 40, Kuya, I've answered your question like 8 different ways. The answer is yes. 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 Trade exactly how you want to, as long as you are not doing some funny business. And when I say funny business, I mean like having some dude named Huang from Wuhan trading your account for you. If you're doing that, guess what? Apex is probably not going to pay you, right? However, if you're trading how you trade, and you know, let's face it, not all of our trades are pretty, right? Not all of our trades are pretty. If you're trading and you are in the red, add like a motherfucker to your account if you want to. Add like a motherfucker to your trade. Do whatever you want, right? Do whatever you want. What you got against Wuhan? Listen, Travis, nothing. But they have some of the best Apex copy traders in the world. But if you enlist one of the copy traders from Wuhan, and he trades your account, nobody's going to come to save you for it. That's what I'm saying. I got nothing against Wuhan. Some of the best Apex traders around. You just can't buy them to pay. You can't hire them to trade your account for you. That's no good. That'll get you banned. What do you mean I'm such a troll? Me? Trolling? Drew says, I got their COVID copier. You too? That is one of the best. The COVID copier is insane. Some might even say it's really sick. No. That was bad. No, that was shameless. Sorry. I got to do better. That was shameless. That was really stupid. Sorry. Okay, 40 Kuya says, I got denied back in the day due to DCA, scared to go back. Here's the deal, though. It's all new, baby. It's all new Apex. It's all new rules. They even updated the website. Even the back end is brand new. It's like if your wife goes to a trainer and she does a lot of squats, she comes back and you go, wow, that's an entirely new back end. That's exactly what Apex did. It's like your wife going to a trainer doing a bunch of squats. Honey, that's an entire new back end. Unbelievable. Out in the green on the small leg of the pitch and catch, only 2 micros got in late. Hey, listen. Compare your P&L to mine right here. Whose is bigger? I think you're doing better than me is all I'm saying, dude. 2 micros is better than me not taking the damn trade. I'm sitting here talking nonsense. Don't tell my girlfriend she'll never buy. That sounds like an issue. Ribs, I have a question about Lucid. I have these Lucid. You know, Enoch, you would be friends with with Richard Harris. By the way, where's Dick Harris? Is he in here right now? Dude, you guys are sick. Oil's hitting 90. Let's go have a look, shall we? Let's bring up oil here. Go to Rhythmic, NYMEX. Okay, load me up, son. Load me up, pal. I ain't driving. How can I identify the pitch and catch on the candlestick chart? Same deal, same exact idea. Here, let's go to the game film here. Look at this. On the 1 minute, you have multiple areas where it happens. Let's draw on it. Look at here, here. This is your takeout. This is your other takeout. This is your third takeout. This is your fourth takeout. It might be coming. This is a micro. Right? Same thing. That's it. And if you zoom in a little bit more, you can see the volume increasing. And look at right there. Look at the volume increase into that takeout candle. It's a beautiful thing. Right? Right here. Use that candle as your measurement. Since this doesn't reclaim, that's your entry. You can do your entry right here. If you're really late to it, you do that entry here, get a micro. And we're looking for this for your takeout. There you go. Okay, back to Bookmap. This is crude right now. Crude is being crazy. Look at this. So a little bit of a retracement here during the GLOBEX session. Wow. It's going for 90s. That is so Raven. Why not just go on the site and read the rules? Listen, if people did that hard hat trading, do you know who'd be out of a job? Streamers. Are you trying to take food out of my mouth? I tried so hard. That's a tough line. You'd be stealing food out of my family's mouth. Say deal though. Eat, dog, eat. Big dogs gotta eat, so they say. After the trade seat kerfuffle happened to be locking out 550. What happened, Kakarov? What happened? What do you mean kerfuffle? All right, I need to get oil off the screen. Everybody trade the NASDAQ is like, wait, we're not going up. By the way, look at this. Look at this. Target hit. Who took the other pitch and catch right here? Look at that. This is why I love this pattern, by the way, because before we had the takeout lower, we were trading up here, right? We were trading up here. Look at that beautiful takeout. Sweeping that target. Unbelievable. Tell me. Drop a W in chat if you caught it. Dodo caught it. Let's see. Who caught it? Sander got it. Davey got it. Peasantry. Nice. Caleb. The only Capone. Nice work, guys. There you go. Hey. Beautiful. Also, you know, using the 1 hour mid as your backstop also works perfect on that one. And this is why Rip's key levels are such a real treat. You know, those who use them. Like, this is such a real treat right here. I love that. I love this for us. Wonderful. Why pick one high and not the other? Remember, we're challenging prior highs on the pitch and catch, right? We're challenging prior highs, right? You see? You're challenging prior highs. You can use that instead of order flow. Yes, you can use candlesticks, but you're missing a lot. It would be hard for me to... Listen, I've taken trades with just candlesticks, and I've done it, you know, when I'm trading from my phone in my cash account. I don't prefer it, but I'll do it, you know? Last year, you would see me post, I was like out shopping with my wife on the strip, and I'm like, hey, just nailed the trade for 20 grand or something. I'm doing that with only candlesticks. I don't have Bookmap on my phone. I wish I did. That'd be lovely, but yeah. Pitch and catch works for longs too. Ready? I'm gonna show you something. What if this chart was looking like that? Exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. That's your pitch and catch if you're doing it to the long side. That's it. It works both ways, baby. It's like an amazing, amazing pattern that will serve you so well in your trading journey. And again, this is why we have these free streams, because I don't want you to feel alone, and I want to have your questions answered for this type of stuff, because the more that you're looking for this stuff, the easier that trading is going to be for you, instead of you're looking at it just a chart and you're saying, I don't know what I'm doing here. That's the pitch and catch. That's it. That's it. Does it help to have order flow tools to help you read this shit? Of course. But it's okay to do it without, just fine. All right, so who was here? Who remembered that we were doing a giveaway in here? Who here remembered? We got about 12 more minutes together, and then I got a jacuzzi calling my name right now. I was in the pool earlier, but I got a jacuzzi calling my name because I got to get in there. I'm thinking we do one more giveaway, and then we call it a night. If you guys are okay with that, I'm okay with that. And remember, you can pick either a Lucid 50K account, a Tradeify Growth account, 50K, or an Apex any size account. We'll do one more giveaway. I've already done 3. Let's do one more. But stick around till the end. We'll do it at the end here, okay? We'll do one more giveaway. And if you guys are so kind to join me for tomorrow's morning stream, we'll do another giveaway for tomorrow's morning stream as well. How to enter. It's going to be a new giveaway because I'm sure some people have left and I don't want to spin for nothing, but I will tell you as we get closer to the top of the hour how to enter the giveaway, okay? It's going to be very easy. It's going to be very easy. If you have any further questions about the pitch and catch strategy, I literally have tons of videos now on my YouTube channel. If you're watching on my YouTube channel right now, just go to my video section. There's tons of long form videos, and there's also a lot of short content, like 60 to 45 seconds, like very short form content. So, can you explain the pitch and catch rips? I mean, that's pretty much what the whole stream has been. I would just say rewatch today's stream. Fuck you, Christmas music. Get the fuck out of here. God, how does it always find us? Son of a bitch. That's better. It's like a heat-seeking missile. We're sitting here enjoying ourselves, having a lovely conversation, and the fucking Christmas bells come out of left field. How dare they? God. A yank to 840 would be beautiful. Fuck, leave out the whole 840 part and I'm with you. A yank in the jacuzzi would be beautiful. If you have a good understanding of liquidity, the PNC will come very easy to you. Such a fantastic strategy. I agree with you. I agree with you 100%. 100%. Rose, what's the name of the blue and green indicator? This one is Rips Scalper Pro. It's not out yet. It's still coming. It's coming out very soon. Hot tub time for me after the Japanese Open. There you go. Are you going to go for a Nuru in the hot tub? Is that what you're thinking, Grigo? Sorry. I can't do it. I can't do it. I tried so hard on that one. Okay. 10 more minutes till the top of the hour. You guys should know what that is. God damn it. Rosa, what level do you think this will rip if all these sellers get trapped down here? It looks like a lot of them. Sorry. I don't know, man. Just follow your heart. I need to get out of here. This is too much. I'm delirious. Hold on. All right, we are rolling. Okay, we're still rolling here. I would be curious to see what happens at 862. 850 is a key level as well to the downside. So we're likely to see some challenging at this level. Especially since it coincides with a huge key level in the S&Ps. So I would say a bounce here could be setting up for a nice little PNC to close off the stream. Let's see. Let's see if we can get our hands dirty here. Make sure my copy trader's turned on. I'm gonna trade in the micros, the Micronesias right now. Oh, sorry, you gotta see my trades here. Trading in the micros. Trading in the macros. I want this to pop up, and I'm trying to time this. I guess I can use my hotkey thing here. Through 62 is a lot of room to the downside, by the way. If it goes through that 62 level, we are in for a treat. These, again, these are micros. So I'm trying to, there's that break. Beautiful, beautiful break there. And we'll take it off there. Okay, great. Fantastic. We did it together, man. That is your micro pitch and catch. Will it go lower? Sure. But I just wanted to have a nice little trade we could all take together. You're asking me, I'm telling you. There's your pitch and catch. You can do it on the microstructure. You can do it with a 10-second scalp. You can do it with a 5-second scalp. You can do whatever makes your heart content. Okay? When you say you're reading the tape, are you talking about Bookmap or are you reading the actual price in sales? So time and sales is what the tape is actually referring to. I'm looking at all of these things combined. I'm looking at the depth of market, the DOM, the time and sales, and then I'm also looking at these beautiful balloons on my screen, the bubbles. Those represent everything in a visual format. So I can see pretty easily, you know, in this area, you know, I can zoom out and say, okay, when this was condensed down here, we had some people that were taking it and lifting offers. It's a mix of all of these things. My trading strategy can be separated into a bunch of different containers, but for me personally, having something like Bookmap consolidating all of this information makes it helpful for me. That's all. Oh, who was the guy? Not Jodeci, but there was another guy in here who had a cool name, like Courtesy. Did you get that one? I tried to scream it from the mountaintops that we were taking that short, but I don't know if you caught it or not. Not seeing live chats. Seems to be delayed. Well, if you click that button that says live at the bottom of the YouTube, You'll catch up to the live stream. You're probably watching it from moments ago. Your stop behind the previous high-low liquidity based on regular trading hours. Yes. In that case, our stop is above these highs, these prior highs. And again, we're just using the microstructure to guide our trade. I'm okay if we start bouncing up and we're slowing down towards, there's a velocity thing we're watching there too. That's more of an advanced way. But I mean, you don't have to be super advanced to do this, right? You can just take the moron trade that I did, which is this is your setup, that's your pitch, that's your catch, and then you slam it down, you take out that low, and then that's your cover. And that's all we did. That's it. Right? The more you dumb down a strategy, the easier it is. Now, we're also knowing that we're at an area of liquidity that is threatening us because 67 evens in the S&Ps is a big key level of liquidity. So if we have that in our top of mind, we're not looking for the huge flush of a trade, right? It's structure-based trading so much nicer than other bullshit. Agreed. Because the structure is leaving behind clues of where people were taking and making liquidity, right? Everything that you need to know about the current order book is there. And until something changes, you can use that information to guide your trade like a GPS. Boom, boom, boom. Once you pass alpha, how long did it take to activate the funded accounts? Instantly. I paid $450 in total. It was $149 per account, so $450 down the drain. I smoked it so fast, bro. It was within an hour of me activating that I smoked those accounts. It's embarrassing, but I'm not going to shy away from that. Papa Giorgio says, I love your name, by the way. Bookmap was so much better pre-COVID 2020. I still use it to this day, but it's better back then. Which part? What do you mean? Like the lack of spaghetti code now? Or like, what are we talking about here? All right, folks, giveaway time. Let's do a giveaway because I'm going to wrap things up. Hot Tub is calling my name. I want to see you folks winning something before I go, and I want to appreciate everybody who was tuning in today because you know what? It was a really enjoyable stream because we didn't have any knuckleheads. We really didn't, right? We really didn't have any knuckleheads, and I appreciate that. I appreciate everybody who tunes in, who wants to learn, who doesn't want to troll, who doesn't want to fuck around. It means a lot to me because, you know, when you're spending your time with me, I'm giving my time to you. I don't charge you for this, you know? If you want to be supportive, you can use my code RIPS. It's fine. If you don't, great, fantastic. Either way, I enjoy doing this when we have a good audience in here, and I enjoy doing this when you folks are asking questions and we're going over strategy, we're trading together. Hell, we got across the line for our payout on Lucid. I'll talk about that again tomorrow morning. We got some more progress here on our alpha funded accounts, our futures account, alpha futures not funded. Our test accounts are what do they call these? Evaluation accounts. So all together, it was great. So when you guys bring a good attitude, I reciprocate by having a good stream together. So I appreciate all of you. Give yourselves a round of applause for being here and being positive. I love that. Good positive energy tonight. No full moon. All right, so let's do this. Ripsmod is going to drop a link one more time to Lucid. There's going to be a keyword on the Lucid landing page. Okay? Here comes Ripsmod. And we're going to do a keyword that you're going to type in either on YouTube or on Kick or on both. Just if you have an account in either one, in both. Here we go. There it is. Lucid coupon. There it is. So click the Lucid coupon link. You can grab a web browser here right quick. Ooh, this is a sultry jam. Don't mind if I do. Ooh. This is a giveaway song if I've ever heard one. Oh, they got the guitar going too? Oh, man. I'm going to have to bump this in my hot tub. Can you imagine? You know? Hot tub vibes. Okay, scroll down on the page. Scroll down on the page here. You load up Botrix. Okay. Okay, scroll down. It says... If you keep scrolling, there's a little trade C pop up. Okay. It says most prop firms... Hold on. Most prop firms keep you in blank accounts forever. Type in that word one single time. Okay. That's all you have to do. If you type in that word, whether you're in the Kick chat, in the YouTube chat, you type in that word, you're in the giveaway. That's all there is to it, okay? We're doing one more giveaway tonight. One more. There we go. Everybody's jumping in. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Remember, part 2, to win this free Lucid account. Part 2, when you win, you got 60 seconds to say something. Type in whatever your username is. Do not put the @ symbol. And then that's it. This is going to be for a Lucid 50K. Let me double check. This is for a Lucid 50K. What kind of account do I have to give you here? Here it is. Lucid 50K. Lucid Pro 50K eval. Let's go, baby. Okay. God, what a song. The saxophone coming out too? Was Kenny G a sax player or he was like a clarinet, bass clarinet? What the fuck did Kenny G do? He wasn't a saxophone player, was he? Because this guy's kind of going off. This guy's blowing the shit out of this reed. He was a sax guy? No kidding. Well, whoever's blowing this reed is giving it the business. Man, I gotta add this song to my favorites. I want to trade to this song. I want to do all sorts of things to this song. Yep, that's in my favorites now. Oh, this song is called Lux. Rips, how was dinner with Dakota? It was legendary. I went with Coach Jay and Coach Dakota. They're both very legendary fellas. Had a great time. Where did we go? Mizumi. We had teppanyaki. It was fantastic. We all had steak and lobster. God, it was good. We're doing the giveaway. All right, here we go. You guys ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. The final giveaway of the night. I hope somebody who wins this passes the account, activates it, and gets a payout and has the story to tell us. Make me that promise, whoever wins. Who's it gonna be? Oh man, looks like it's gonna be a YouTuber. Fuck you, Kicksters. You Kicksters got fucked. Crocodile Hunter? Crocodile Dundee? Is that you? That was a terrible accent. Okay, you got 59 seconds. Let's see. P2O. Oh, by the way, beautiful pitch and catch happening right now. Beautiful pitch and catch. I know that somebody's watching and caught that. Had to have, right? Oh, what a beauty, isn't it? That's you, Crocodile. Okay, what is your name on Instagram or on X? So I can get you this free Lucid account. Dude, 160, let's go. All right, gotta put you on the clock here, Crocodile Hunter. Get it in there, baby. Timer 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Well, Crocodile, when this timer goes, we're gonna have to give it to somebody else. Siri, what do you think if Crocodile doesn't claim in the next 30 seconds? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? She has no comment. Looks like we might be rolling again here, Crocodile. Don't give up hope, people. 5, 4, 3. Oh my God, he got it just in the nick of time. Oh my word. Oh my word. You did the @ symbol too. Oh my goodness. Wow, you're flirting with death, my friend. Flirting with disaster over here. Let's see if you follow me. That's step 2. What do you think, folks? Does he follow me? Oh, he does. Crocodile Max, my man. Give it up for Crocodile, our big winner of the evening, taking home a beautiful prize. That's right, he gets a free 50K Lucid Pro account coming straight to the dome skis. Congratulations there, Crocodile Max. Love you, pal. Lucid Pro 50K eval. Go ahead and put that in the coupon code and that account will be yours to treasure. Now here's part 7 of this whole giveaway, Max. You need to take this account all the way to a payout. Can you promise us that, please? Can you promise us that you take this thing all the way to a payout? What say you, Crocodile Hunter? What say you? Can you make it happen for us? Because if you do, that's a story to tell. Send you proof once it's done. Amen, brother. Well, hell yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you so much for tuning in today. That was a real treat. Again, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, spending your time with me on the evenings. It means a lot. We'll be back again live tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 5 a.m. Pacific, 7 a.m. Central. I'll see you guys there on YouTube, on Kick, on X, and maybe even on Rumble. Who knows? I don't know. I love you guys. Take care. Be good. Be careful out there. The price action might shape up to be a little bit more difficult now. Be careful. Love you, folks. I'll see you tomorrow. Be good. Bye. See you.